Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can add number to the block list. So the first you have to go for the menu, then scroll to the settings, scroll down again and you have to go for call settings. Then we have to scroll down to the block list, and as you can see, if you receive any calls, you will get few numbers right here. In my case I don't receive any of them, so I don't have anything here. As you can see, it's empty. And you can simply choose the number by clicking OK and then click block, but you can also click on the options and you can add to block list number manually. So when you click OK and enter, you can here input the number and then you can click OK, and as you can see, this number was added to the block list. There it is. When you click on it, you can remove it from the block list or you can add to block list another one. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.